about to view contains material created by the Tutorial Center at Fresno City College. We based the information used on fact and research to the best of our knowledge. As the viewer of this video, you should always follow the directions given to you by your instructor. The materials covered in these videos should be viewed as supplemental only.
Hello and welcome to a chemistry episode of Tutors. Elements and matter and composition deals with what everyday physical objects are composed of and how they interact with one another. Every element is composed of three fundamental particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and electrons are like a magnet in that they attract one another because of opposing charges. Protons have a positive charge while electrons have a negative charge. Neutrons have no charge, however they are important in spacing in the nucleus, the center of the atom.
The space provided by neutrons allows for multiple protons to be packed inside of the nucleus of an atom, and because of this we have many different and unique elements that are identified by how many protons are in the nucleus. As an example, the element hydrogen is the simplest of them all with only one proton and one electron.
The elements can also have positive and negative charges. Positively charged elements are called cations, while negatively charged elements are anions.
This opposition of charges between elements is caused by a difference in attraction for electrons called electronegativity. The difference between electronegativity of a compound is organized into three groups:
Nonpolar or pure covalent, polar covalent, and ionic. Nonpolar molecules have almost no difference in electronegativity, and they're often very symmetrical in structure. Polar covalent molecules have a moderate difference in electronegativity. Water is a polar covalent molecule with slightly positive and negative poles on the molecule. Ionic molecules have the largest difference in electronegativity, and they're very often asymmetrical in structure. Salt, NaCl, is an ionic compound with a strong positive and negative poles. In NaCl, Na, sodium, is a cation, and Cl, chlorine, is an anion.
Matter consists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. The periodic table consists of many elements that are naturally in one of these three states. The states also apply to all compounds. Water is often in liquid state, but it can also be in a gas state as vapor or a solid state as ice.
If you feel comfortable about everything we just discussed, please test yourself with our assessment below. Good luck!